Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We're on a hunt today for apparently a bunker. I've got Steve from Exploring Within with me. He's still by the car. He's a bit worried that I've just gone straight through a bush next to a house. But I've just come across this. I'm going to have a look around. I'll turn the camera around so you can have a look. There's Steve from Exploring Within. Bent over as usual. Any history on the place, Steve?
This isn't it, mate.
No?
No, it's the rut. I think it's just a red herring. There's some sort of pumping station or terminal with like, yeah.
That's sort of...
So that's the better one to look through. The other side's flooded.
Here guys, just so you can have a look. But, right. Could be it, might not be. Not it? Okay.
If it's not in this side, we're across the road, I'm looking at the side.
What, in the actual golf course itself?
No, that side.
Yeah, that's the golf course as well.
Golf course is up.
And that side, is where we parked.
Yeah, but that's the car park for the golf course.
Right. Just only us two out here tonight. As you can tell. Up ahead, but that's probably all I can see. And a shocking experience up ahead. Yeah. Shame they've dumped that bit of metal in the middle. I can't get too close to that though. You sure? Okay. So guys, we're currently under here, and I don't think you're going to find this place that easy. Yeah, there is. That could be the back entrance to where we parked though. I can't imagine it to be over there, but we can only one way to find out. Right, according to Google, it's possibly down here. Look at that.
See, that's a mound there, isn't it?
We're literally coming up to it.
Are we?
Yeah, in about, it's 0.1 of a mile away.
175 yards, 176. I'd be surprised if that's spot on that, mate.
Well, it's in the right direction of what we saw.
If it is, we could keep coming. Oh, there it is.
Right, guys. Thank you to the app.
And is it open?
It is, and it's full of wheels.
Well, there it is, folks.
Look at that, guys. Let's get a few pictures of that before we go in there. But that'll be it. There's some classic wheels here. Oh God, this bloody.
Yeah, look at the steps going down as well.
Look, all these classic wheels. Look. I might have to swap over to my phone because this is not going well.
Looks like an old Ford Cortina wheel, doesn't it?
Yeah. So if anyone wants some spare wheels, here is the place to come. Look at that.
Oh, that smells, mate, in here. It smells very sulphury, just like it did in the French bunkers.
It's been a very hot day as well.
Yeah, look at these tyres, folks.
Oh mate, yeah, that smell.
Yeah, that smell.
And there's spider eggs on the ceiling, so be bloody careful.
Spider eggs?
Yeah, like,
oh, yeah, little bags.
That.
Yeah, don't miss those from over.
Fly tipping central.
Oh, wow. This.
Guys, this is incredible.
This isn't your typical air raid shower in that it's got the corrugated iron skin on it.
Mate!
Is it?
No, let me get a
proper solid proper solid concrete.
I'm keeping an eye around. There's
Several inches thick.
There's a sofa at the end of here. One of our friends would love that, which he probably isn't even watching. So. Look at that. Someone's already been down here, probably teenagers, and thought, you know what?
Yeah, that would have been
some equipment.
Probably. I was say that on the way up, but it doesn't look like it's so. Yeah, someone's caught a couch on fire there.
Oh, that's it, mate. And that goes up to someone's house. That is going to be deep.
So that'd just be the escape hatch.
So guys, unfortunately that is actually it. This is incredible, the fact of the different design of the shelter compared to the ones we've seen previously.
Yeah. That is pretty much all of it actually. I'm not going to try and find it, then we're going to be in it, but it is interesting to see the interior.
Right guys, we've had a bit of a treasure hunt tonight. We found this aerator in Cobham and that was it really, full of tyres. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're joined today by Exploring Within. He's behind the camera right now.
Yo.
But we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, we've just come across something interesting. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can have a look, see how stupid we've been tonight. See that sign over there?
The one that says danger on it.
Yeah, that's where I parked my car originally. And over there is the first thing that I thought was the bunker. Obviously we've done that long walk and we find this path.
Don't say we don't give you locations,
yeah,
folks.
And in that little gap over there to the left is the air raid shelter. Don't get me wrong, we've gone on a very romantic walk through the bluebells.
That's not going to help already.
No. But, you know, don't tell us we don't show you what we do to find these locations for you. Steve did his homework, but didn't pay off. I used a different site and it did. But thanks to that site, we found it. So on that one, teamwork, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.